In this tutorial, we will see how to create users in Simply Fleet. The user management screen lists all the users in your organization. You can easily search for a particular user on the screen. To add a new user to your organization, you need to click the Add User button. On this page, you need to enter details of the user. You need to at least enter the user's name, email, role, and manager so that he is registered in your organization. We offer three roles in Simply Fleet: admins, managers, and operators. The scope of each role will be discussed as and when applicable in these tutorials. Keep in mind that only admins and managers have access to the web application, whereas the mobile application is available to all three. Moving ahead, you or the user himself can upload important documents like his license or DOT certificate. Any number of additional documents can be uploaded by clicking on Add New Document. Here you can upload PDF files or images along with a document name. If you are uploading a confidential document like a contract which you do not want shown to the user himself, you can uncheck the button here. You can also add relevant fields to the document. Next, we move to the Vehicle Assign tab. Here you can assign vehicles to your user. If the user is an operator, he will only have access to the vehicles assigned to him. Similarly, a manager will only have access to the vehicles assigned to him and the users under him. To save, just click Save and Exit. The user is created with his email as his login and a temporary password which is shown on the screen to you as well as sent to him in an email. The operator you just added can now log in from the mobile app. He'll need to log in using the temporary password the first time, after which he will be prompted to create a new password. Similarly, admins and managers can also log in on the mobile app. Admins and managers can access other users on the mobile app, whereas the operators can only access their own details. In the next tutorial, we'll learn how to add vehicles. Thanks for watching.